Welcome to our Recipe for Salvation children's message series. We're talking about baking and how it tells us more about the Advent season and Christmas and Jesus. So when you're baking, what do you use icing and sprinkles for? Yummy, funfetti frosting with colorful sprinkles. Star sprinkles here. I can't wait to decorate my cupcakes and my cookies. When my cookies come out of the oven, they look pretty plain and simple. So do my cupcakes. But when I add the frosting and the sprinkles and the decoration, wow, they look so amazing. When I see them decorated, it fills my heart with joy. My plain gingerbread men aren't so plain anymore. And these are decorated with the word joy. And that is our word for today. Like sprinkles add some delight to our baking creations, the joy of Jesus brings delight to our hearts and to our worlds. Jesus comes to fill our lives with joy and gladness. And so today we light the special pink candle, the joy candle, because Jesus sprinkles and fills our lives with joy. So let's light all of our candles. Light one candle for hope, one bright candle for hope. He brings hope to every heart. He comes, he comes. Light one candle for peace, one bright candle for peace. He brings peace to every heart. He comes, he comes. Light one candle for joy, one bright candle for joy. Every nation will find salvation in Bethlehem's baby boy. And the song will continue next week with one last candle. But did you catch those special words from our joy candle? Every nation will find salvation in Bethlehem's baby boy. Jesus was born to bring joy to the world as we sing, because he would grow up, he would die, and he would rise so that we have joy and gladness forever in heaven. So today, maybe bake a few cookies, decorate them, and remember the joy that Jesus brings to our lives. And think about ways that you can sprinkle joy through the world because you know the joy and love of our Savior, Jesus.